The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Yo, I am for the streets now, chat. Only in Jamaica. No, I don't work with that. Yo, I never argue them nothing, but I have to give them something. Yo, for that performance, I have to go on a thing, my lad. Because you have on all the right banner too. Alright. Alright. Do the real thing. I'm full of style, eh? Yo, man drop on him knee, yo, my yo. Man go millionaire. Another carrier, brother. Another carrier millionaire, the minute.
Water money
Yeah.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are out on social media that shows things that happened within the country of Jamaica. Alright, now I just presented to you one video, and this video is out on social media. It's been talked about on social media, you know, and according to what has been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows persons who are said to be persons wiping car glass and asking for money. You see me? Some persons call something like this a hustling. Now viewers and subscribers, you know, I want to say big up and respect to those persons for doing something that is considered to be a honest way of making money. You understand? Yeah. Big up and respect to them. You see me? Well, anyways, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, and this video is going to show persons who are said to be People's National Party supporters, making it very clear that they do not want persons who are said to be Jamaica Labour Party supporters in their community. You see me? So basically, this video shows persons who supports PNP, making it very clear that they do not want persons who support JLP within their community or their neighborhood. You see what I'm saying to you? I'm not sure who those persons are who are said to be supporters of the JLP, you see me? But this video is out on social media and this video is being talked about, alright? So you can let me know what you think about this video. You see what I said here? You can let me know what you think about even politics in Jamaica as well, alright? And to make it clear, you know, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Take a look, listen and observe. Now viewers and subscribers, what had happened in that video, some persons on social media are saying that it is just wrong. You understand? You see it? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And you know, I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I leave that video with you, I'm going to show you a video first before I leave the video that I said I'm going to leave with you. Alright? Now the next video that I am about to present to you, this video is going to show when a PNP candidate ride a horse See me? Past tense, you should say rode a horse. But however, according to what had been said on social media, it is said that this PNP candidate was on his way to a nomination center, and at one point he rode a horse. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, when I look at the video, there's a part of the video where I see where the PNP candidate got off the horse. A lot of things happen, you know, when election day is drawing close and all these things. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, take a look at this video. You know, this video is going to show a number of persons, like, you know, quite a number of persons while this person is riding the horse. You see what I'm saying to you? Okay, and viewer discretion is advised. Take a look and observe.
Champion Jackie, a leader. That's some boys them cook them shit. Jackie, don't stage. Turn him again, come again.
Hey, step again, hey. Come on, side. Alright. Let's go.
May I tell the viewers and subscribers. But anyways, the video that I'm going to leave with you right about now, this video is going to show when the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is known as Mr. Andrew Holness, some persons on social media or in the country of Jamaica or even in the world call Mr. Andrew Holness Bro God. You see? And there is something that is being talked about where it is said that Mr. Andrew Holness or Bro God wear a green desert clocks. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, yeah, so this video that I'm going to leave with you, this video is going to show Mr. Andrew Holness when he appeared within a community within the country of Jamaica. You understand? And you know, this video is going to show a large number of people. You see me I say? Yeah, this video is going to show Mr. Andrew Holness, and he's in a vehicle and he's, you know, showing his respect to Jamaican citizens. Is what I'm saying to you. And you know, you're going to see a large number of people. Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, for those who might not like to see large gatherings and so on, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, so I'm going to leave this video with you, and let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about the other videos that I presented to you, you know. And this whole video is to just let you know what's going on within the country of Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, and let you know about some videos that is out there on social media that shows us some things that happened within the country of Jamaica. Alright, so here is the video right about now, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Stop on the camera and
Bro, God cock up him foot. With him new clocks on foot.
Far from your disconnect.
Boss.
I see him do it again. Catch him down, put up him close for the guard.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.